Good morning, student. Today I'm here with new topics of same unit. The unit name is Test and Measurement, and yesterday topic was offer test. In offer test, we have discussed about three test items. One is bend knee setup. Second one is pull-ups for boys and legs down hang for girls. And third one was bend knee setup. Three test item we have discussed yesterday. So next, this is now fourth test item of offer test, that is standing broad jump. The purpose of this test is to measure explosive strength of thighs. So let's start how to conduct. First, we have to know what are the required equipment for this test. First of all, we need a long jump pit. We can use long jump pit for that particular test, or we can make use of mat, or we can use a floor. Whatever available material is there, you can use that. Okay, so these are the first requirement of standing broad jump: long jump pit, mat or floor, मेजरिंग टेप, लाइन पाउडर. लाइन पाउडर मीन्स चूना. चूना भी जरूरी है क्योंकि मार्क नापने के लिए बहुत जरूरी है. ठीक है. पर्पस एक्सप्लोसिव स्ट्रेंथ. नाउ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. इसमें सब्जेक्ट आस्क्ड टू स्टैंड बिहाइंड द स्टार्टिंग लाइन. सब्जेक्ट को स्टार्टिंग लाइन के पीछे खड़े होने को बोला जाएगा. ऑन कमांड गो ही विल फ्लेक्स हिज और हर बोथ नीज टुगेदर एंड जंप इन लैंडिंग एरिया. वो स्टार्टिंग लाइन के पीछे खड़ा होगा और एक साथ दोनों पैरों में एक साथ आर्म्स को स्विंग करते हुए लॉन्ग जंप पिट की तरफ कूदेगा. उसको 3 ट्रायल दिए जाएंगे. जो भी उसका बेस्ट होगा वो मेजर कर लिया जाएगा. पर इसमें ध्यान देने वाली बात ये है, द मेन थिंग इज इन दिस टेस्ट इज both landing of both legs should be together. Single we cannot jump in this test item. If somebody do this, he asked to repeat this test. So subject asked to jump with both legs. The footprint, the landing of both feet should be together. So whatever he jump by himself or herself, it will be measured from the starting line. यहाँ से उसको measure कर लिया जाएगा. And the last edge of his heel will be measured as a score. जैसे उसने जंप किया, अब हम यहाँ पर एक, ये आगे वाला पैर है, ये पीछे वाला पैर, थोड़ा लैंडिंग में आगे पीछे हो सकता है, पर पैर दोनों साथ में पड़ने चाहिए. तो यहाँ पर आया तो यहाँ से इसकी मेजरमेंट हम यहाँ तक ये जो भी मेजरमेंट होगी उसको इसके स्कोर में नोट कर लिया जाएगा. Now next test item is for same offer test, that is 50-yard dash. 50-yard dash means 50-yard means near about 45 meter. 50-yard is equally approximately 45 meter. 55 meter dash means sprint as fast as you can run. That means dash. The purpose of this test is speed, to check the speed ability of an individual. In this test, the purpose to check the ability of individual, that is speed. So required material, we need 50 meter to 60 meter arena for running. We need this. मीन्स हमें 50 से 100 मीटर का एरिया चाहिए उसके बीच में दौड़ सके. We have to mark 2-3 lines parallel in 60 to 70 meter long, because it needs long distance, because the player will as fast as, so when he will stop he may get injured, so he need extra space. So we will mark 50-yard arena. We ask the 2 students stand together, and secondly, what equipment we need? Stopwatch, splitting stopwatch. This is very must because we have to record time of an individual in this test. And clapper for starting for race, whistle or gunshot, whatever available is there, you can use this. So on command of start, both tester will come here, means those who are giving test, they will stand behind the starting line. On command of test taker, they will run as fast as to the फिनिशिंग लाइन. ये फिनिशिंग लाइन की तरफ जितनी तेजी से हो सके उतनी तेजी से भागने की कोशिश करेंगे. जैसे ही यहाँ पर क्लैपर बजाया जाएगा या गन बजाई जाएगी या फिर विसिल बजाई जाएगी, सेम टाइम पे फिनिशिंग पॉइंट का जो जज होगा उसके द्वारा स्टॉप वॉच ऑन कर दी जाएगी. एज सुन एज द कमांड विल स्टार्ट, द फिनिशिंग लाइन जज विल स्टार्ट stopwatch. So they will run both together, and when they finish the finishing line, the judge will stop the time and they will note time of both students. This is the score of both of students. One can be give test at a one time or either two can be. So this is 50-meter dash sprint. So this is fifth test of offer youth physical fitness test. Now, next test item is 600-meter run and walk for boys and girls both. The purpose of this test is to measure the cardiovascular fitness or endurance of an individual. Okay, so next is require equipment. What material we required in this test? क्या क्या हमें जरूरत है? फर्स्ट इज वी नीड 400 मीटर और 200 मीटर ट्रैक. Standard track we need for that because we have to run 600 meter distance in this test. Second is clapper, whistle or gun for starting the race. Okay, stopwatch, paper pen for writing score. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ टेस्ट. नेक्स्ट इज एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ टेस्ट, कैसे टेस्ट को एडमिनिस्ट्रेट करना है. सो इन कमांड ऑफ टेस्ट टेकर, द ऑब्जेक्ट विल स्टैंड this line because this is 400 meter track. This whole test measurement is 400 meter. So this is 80 meter from straight line, 80 meter, 120 curve, again 80, 120 curve, total 400 meter. So this area 120 plus 80, how much? 200. 120 plus 80, how much? 200. So one round, two round, 3 round, 4 round. Sorry, this is 400 meter track. They will cover 200 meter. Okay, then they will finish one complete round and 200 meter extra. After that, they will run 200 meter plus 400 meter, 600 meter. Total distance is covered by the student. So on command, they will start running. They will run one half round and one full round. They have to complete, and the race will finish at the starting point. This is basically starting point for each and every race in track and field event. So in this test, the subject is permitted to walk. इस टेस्ट में जो टेस्ट देने वाला है उसको रन और वॉक दोनों अलाउड है. वो दौड़ भी सकता है, चल भी सकता है. अगर थक गया तो चल भी सकता है. बट ये रखना है कि इसमें स्कोर जो है, टाइमिंग जो है कम से कम आनी चाहिए. अगर टाइम ज़्यादा आएगा तो आपकी फिटनेस लेवल पीछे हो जाएगी. सो आपको कम से कम टाइम पे इसको कंप्लीट करना है. और इस रेस को कंप्लीट करने में जो भी टाइम आएगा उसको नोट कर लिया जाएगा. वो उसका इंडिविजुअल स्कोर होगा। तो ये था हमारा ऑफर यूथ फिजिकल फिटनेस टेस्ट। ये छह टेस्ट आइटम्स थे, सब कंप्लीट हो गए। अब नेक्स्ट हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं बैरो 3 आइटम टेस्ट। इन दिस यूनिट now we will go for next physical efficiency, that is journal motor fitness test. Our test was motor fitness test. This is journal motor fitness test. Motor fitness means the ability of an athlete to perform in his or her sports with efficiency. Journal motor fitness means this is an ability of athlete to do daily routine activity without getting fatigued. यानी किसी इंसान की वो क्षमता जिसके अनुसार इंसान अपनी दिनचर्या की जो एक्टिविटीज हैं, जो नॉर्मल एक्टिविटीज हैं, उनको बगैर थके कंप्लीट कर सके। सो दिस टेस्ट आइटम इज फॉर जर्नल मोटर फिटनेस टेस्ट। सो फॉर दिस बैरो 3 आइटम टेस्ट, in this test was constructed in 1954 by the Barrow to check the journal motor fitness ability of an individual. In this test, 3 test items are there. First is standing, broad jump. Second one is zigzag run, and third one is medicine ball throw. Standing broad jump, you know that. Zigzag run and medicine ball throw, these 2 tests are new in this test items. So बैरो 3 आइटम टेस्ट, पहला टेस्ट जो है वो है आपका स्टैंडिंग ब्रॉड जंप, जो हमने अपर टेस्ट में भी पढ़ा था। सेम प्रोसीजर है इसमें। इसका जो पर्पज है वो लेग्स की एक्सप्लोसिव स्ट्रेंथ को मेजर करना है। सो इसमें वही हमारी जो रिक्वायर इक्विपमेंट होंगे वो होंगे आपका लॉन्ग जंप पिट, चूना, मेजरिंग टेप, ठीक है, और इसमें और ज़्यादा किसी चीज़ की जरूरत नहीं, मैट या फ्लोर, कोई भी और चीज़ें भी चल सकती हैं। सो इसमें सब्जेक्ट को स्टार्टिंग लाइन के पीछे खड़े होने को बोला जाएगा और दोनों पैरों को एक साथ ले जाते हुए लॉन्ग जंप पिट में जंप करने को बोला जाएगा। ऑन कमांड गो ही विल जंप ऑन पिट। सो द मैक्सिमम डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय द इंडिविजुअल विल बी मेजर्ड एज अ स्कोर। द रियर फुट मतलब जो पीछे का पैर है, द रियर फुट मेजरमेंट विल बी टेकन एज अ स्कोर। The 3 trial will be given to the individual. So this is a standing broad jump for Barrow 3 item test. The first test is standing broad jump to check the explosive strength. So next test item is zigzag run. This is for both boys and girls. In this test item we have to make some running arena for students. How to make this? This length is 16 meter and this is 10 meter. So in every corner we will keep cones. We will put some cones. So this is 10 meter. This area is 16 meter. Okay. So this is starting line. We ask the subject to stand behind the starting line. On command, he will complete whole distance of this arena. On command, he will run as fast as possible without disturbing the cones. These are cones. Then he will run from here to here, here, and here. He will finish here. When he or she complete the whole arena, the time will be taken by the test taker. इस पूरे राउंड को कंप्लीट करने में वो जितना टाइम लेता है उसको नोट कर लिया जाएगा। यही उसका स्कोर होगा, उस इंडिविजुअल का स्कोर होगा। सो दिस इज zigzag run for boys and girls. Okay. Now third test item is medicine ball throw. Okay, the person have to throw medicine ball. The purpose of this test is to measure the strength of arms and shoulder girdle. First, what is medicine ball? Medicine ball is like something like a basketball. It have different weights. So we can say that if this size of basketball weight is near 5 kg. The weight of these medicine balls are start from 1 kg to 6 kg. So for boys and girls, weight is different in this test. For boys, this is 3 kg. For girls, this is 1 kg. Both have different weights. So both will use different weight medicine ball. In this test, the subject asked to stand behind a starting line. Subject asked to stand behind starting line. Then he will hold ball like this and he will throw as far as possible. Boys will throw 3 kg ball and girls will throw 1 kg ball. So they have to throw like this. The maximum distance covered by the ball will measure as a score. Every individual will get 3 trial for throw. The best throw will be noted as a score. So this is medicine ball throw for Barrow 3-item test. So these 3 items, first one is standing broad jump, second one is zigzag run, and third one is medicine ball throw. In this item only we need tape and medicine ball. We have to measure medicine ball throw by tape and medicine ball. If somebody have no medicine ball, he can make use of basketball or football also. So this is the Barrow 3-item test. So in next class we will study about cardiovascular fitness tests. In these tests we will study about 2 tests: Harvard physical fitness test, and one more test is there that I will let you know in next class. Okay, so good day.